Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make hollow circle in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find elements, and then go to shapes, click it, and then we can go to basic shapes, and we can find circle here. Click to add a new circle. Now I want to adjust the size. I click and drag the corner to enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it, something like this. Now we can select the circle and go to top option bar. We can find stroke style, click it, and then we can choose the solid line to add the solid line around the circle, and we can increase stroke rate to make the stroke line obvious. Now we can select the circle again and go to color, and then go to color panel. We can fill nothing. So we can check this is the hollow circle, so we can change the background color, select the background and go to top option bar. We can find background color. Sorry, I click it again and then go to color panel and we can change the background color. For example, change it to purple, or we can change it to gradient color. So we can see that this is hollow circle. Now we can change the color of hollow circle, select it, and then go to top option bar. We can change stroke color and go to color panel, and we can change it to white, or we can change it to gradients. So this is how we can make hollow circle in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.